Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Isaac. My channel is called Live Well, and today we're going to be growing cabbage negra cabbages, guys. All right, they are red cabbage. I don't know if I'm saying it right, guys. I could have butchered the name, but they are red cabbage, right? And I grew them last year. I did really well with them, so I decided let me try them again this year. All right, so it's usually the same process, guys. You know, the whole idea of trying to keep the gardening simple, guys. And this is what I mean. So I grew these from seed, from home. And I'm going to be putting them in. And the idea is to just try to get the top leaves just above the ground like this, guys. Cabbages are quite resilient in their own way. All right, so this will be the first one. What the hell is this? All right. These are like beetroots or something. Not beetroot, radish that grew here last year. So I've just got a whole heap of them coming up, guys. All right. So we're going to get them out of the pot. I don't know if you guys know. So we're literally just trying to squeeze it out. Not too hard, just a little tension. When you see it starting to come out a bit. There we go. All right. Here's, guys, these grow up to be a very nice red cabbage if you're into red cabbages, or in my case I like to say they're purple, but you know, we call them red, so we'll say red for today. These guys grow really well. You know, I like the way they grew last year. And the thing with cabbages, guys, they like to have like a firm kind of base to them. So don't be afraid, you know, not without breaking the stem. You give them a nice push down. Yeah, they like a sturdy base. So we're very slowly getting our season on the way. I also want to comment as well about the weather last week. Man, it literally came along and just killed most of my seedlings. I don't know if that's how the Creator intended April to be, you know, but yeah, it was very cold, colder than most Aprils that I know for the time of being in this country, you know. So I don't believe that's the Creator's weather, but still, yeah, guys, we're gonna plug on. We're gonna do the best as we can. Yeah, trying to pull it out without hurting the plant. Yes, guys, we're gonna put it down, give it a little push down. Don't be afraid. As long as we don't snap the stem, that's what it needs. And I'm down to the last one now. Right, guys, so once you put your cabbages down, as you can see, I would like to say, guys, it's not hard. Once again, I'm going to emphasize, gardening is as hard as you make it. That's what I say, right? So once we've done this, we're gonna just give it some water, and then God bless, they will grow to be some nice, lovely cabbages. We got 8 of them down this year, so hopefully 8 of them will make it to the end, guys. So on this note, I'd like to say, live well, and together we grow.